This is Nikhil, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of using the web tool that I created for this project. So the first step isn't too hard. You just have to go to mirroranalyze.com. And the second step is actually having some data worth analyzing. So this tool essentially takes in microRNA data and it gives you back a diagnosis for a patient. So we're gonna go to the About section and download a demo patient to work with. And this patient actually has cervical squamous cell carcinoma. And if we download the CSV file, we can see all that. And I'm actually going to show you what the data kind of looks like. So you essentially have a list of all the microRNAs detected and their expression levels. So how much of those microRNAs were detected. And this is data that you can easily get using a Quiagen blood test. Like you put the blood and they use fluorescent dyes to get this data. Now if you go to the demo section of my project, the analyzer tool, then you can input information about the patient and you can input this CSV based data. And you can actually check to have us upload this data to our database, which means that we will actually learn from this data. And then it gives you a diagnosis, so it tells you correctly that this person has cervical squamous cell carcinoma. And actually, just as an aside, something I was doing for fun, it also does some machine learning analysis and figures out which treatments would be best for this patient. This is more experimental though, and I gotta add this disclaimer, always ask your doctor first. But this tool is pretty cool, I think, and it's already being used by a lot of people in my lab and in some labs, across the world and other places. And I hope that as I get to validate my results more, then doctors eventually will begin to be using it. So thank you, and I hope you now understand how to use the web tool.